In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line spacing in the Mailchimp email editor. Clean, readable line spacing can make your email feel professional and easy on the eyes. In Mailchimp, you can adjust this quickly, right inside the editor, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do it and what to look for along the way. Start by finding the text you want to adjust in the center editor. This is the main preview area where your email content appears as blocks. Look for a paragraph or a heading text block. These are the sections that hold your body copy or titles. If you're unsure which is which, paragraph blocks usually contain longer sentences, while headings are the larger, bolder titles. Click directly on that text block to activate editing. You'll know it's active when a blue outline appears around the block and your cursor is blinking inside the text. If you don't see the outline, click once more until it appears. This ensures you're in editing mode and that the formatting tools are available. Next, highlight the specific text whose spacing you want to change. You can drag across a sentence, select a whole paragraph, or even choose all the text in the block if you want consistent spacing throughout. Selecting only what you need gives you precise control over the final look. With the text highlighted, look for the text formatting toolbar. It typically appears just above your text or at the top of the editor when you're actively editing. Click the line spacing option. It may be represented by an icon that looks like stacked lines with arrows, and it controls the vertical space between lines of text. Now choose one of the available spacing options: single, 1.25, 1.5, or double. As a quick guideline, single is compact and great for dense sections. 1.25 adds a touch of breathing room. 1.5 improves readability for most body text, and double provides generous spacing that works well for short, impactful lines or headings that need emphasis. As soon as you make a selection, preview the text right in the editor to see the change take effect. The update is instant, so you can compare options quickly. If it doesn't look quite right, simply click the line spacing menu again and pick a different value, or use undo to revert. That's all there is to it. Locate the block, activate it, highlight your text, choose your line spacing, and preview the result. With a few clicks, your email becomes clearer, more polished, and easier to read.